and sleep, while pigs enjoy scraps and anything to eat. Sheep graze on clover and bundles of hay. Goats munch leaves all through the day. Horses eat oats to keep them strong. Chickens peck seeds as they roam along. Ducks dabble for plants in the pond so blue. Rabbits chew carrots and lettuce too. Turkeys gobble on corn from the ground, and geese snack on grains where they're found. Each animal eats what they like best. On the farm, they're happy and blessed.